This pile's been looking pretty good today. I'm going to do a back view. I'm usually on the other side of it, so let's see what it looks like from this side. I see a random dandelion wish in the middle. Let's go up close on that. Everybody hates the dandelions, but I love them. And so do the buggies. Can you see the buggy? Okay. Okay. It's got all them invasive ground cover in here. I know, it's supposed to be great, but still can turn into a nuisance. And more random tree action. And one I replanted. And the back of Ghost Mary. Okay, have a great day.